what's up everyone? Mara here, and today I want to show you a way to turn your massive long videos into a steady stream of social-ready clips without spending forever in the edit bay. Honestly, this process feels like cheating the system. Instead of sitting for hours scrubbing through footage, desperately hunting for the good bits, and exporting a million separate versions, you can let smart AI do the heavy lifting and get a huge batch of polished posts out in just a few minutes. You still absolutely look like the ultimate content machine, but this way, you completely bypass the traditional blood, sweat, and inevitable Premiere timeline drama that usually comes with repurposing. Let's get a quick reality check. Long-form content like podcasts, live streams, and in-depth interviews is absolute gold because it contains the necessary depth, funny moments, valuable jokes, and those crucial little aha seconds viewers absolutely love. The massive problem for most people is efficiently harvesting those great moments and successfully turning them into snackable, shareable clips, which leads most to either never do it or simply spam the same 5 clips across every platform forever. This is precisely where a tool like this steps in, as it's specifically built from the ground up to scan your entire long video file, intelligently detect all the truly viral-worthy parts, and output ready-to-post short clips. Crucially, it doesn't just give you raw, unpolished cuts. It automatically generates accurate captions, intelligently picks the most engaging thumbnail images, and can even schedule the posts so you never have to babysit the publishing calendar again. So, let's walk through exactly how I use this platform step by step, which I promise you is super chill and incredibly straightforward. First, you simply upload the long video you want to repurpose, which I usually do by dragging a full podcast episode or an entire live stream directly into the platform and telling it to analyze the whole thing immediately. If dragging isn't your preferred method, you can also import straight from your preferred cloud storage service, or even just by pasting a direct link if that's easier for your existing workflow. After that, you just give the AI system about a minute while it thoroughly scans the entire file, looking specifically for those energy spikes, sudden laughter, key topic shifts, and the kind of language that reliably performs well across all social platforms. The massive benefit here is that you never have to manually mark specific timestamps or waste time guessing which spontaneous moment is actually good, because the AI handles that initial, most time-consuming heavy lifting for you. Once the platform has successfully analyzed your source file, Vizard intelligently surfaces a curated batch of potential short clips, which are not random cuts, but are actual smart suggestions based on established viewer hooks and strong conversational peaks. You have the option to preview every single suggested clip, trim down the edges a little if necessary, or simply keep the AI suggestion exactly as is because 9 times out of 10, the initial outputs are already solid and require almost no final tweaking. Now we get to the undeniably fun part, styling the clips, where you have the power to instantly select templates and visual styles that precisely match the specific target platform you are aiming for right now. If your immediate goal is creating vertical shorts for TikTok or Instagram Reels, you simply select the vertical template, or you can choose the dedicated template for a perfectly timed 60-second YouTube short. The system automatically integrates professional captions, adds slick, non-distracting transitions, and can even include an attention-grabbing intro bumper clip if you want to maximize immediate viewer retention. Personally, I like to quickly scroll through all the available style options and lock in one consistent look that perfectly matches my established brand vibe, ensuring both consistent branding and lightning-fast delivery. Another feature that I absolutely love and rely on heavily is the automatic caption generation, which creates remarkably accurate text for every word spoken and provides a quick-to-use editor to fix any odd transcription errors. Since closed captions are proven to be absolutely huge for boosting overall watch time across nearly every platform, this single feature single-handedly saves me an incredible amount of frustrating manual correction time every single week. You also have the ability to easily tweak the final caption style, adjust the font size dynamically, and precisely control the text placement so it never clumsily covers up a key visual element or someone's face in the frame. If you want to take your resulting clips and make them look even more professionally polished, you simply engage the AI edit feature, which can automatically add subtle, meaningful zooms, relevant B-roll inserts, sound effects, and perfectly fitting background music. This level of automation transforms the final product into something that looks like a genuinely mini-produced piece of content rather than just a raw, unedited snippet taken straight from your original source recording. And here is where this specific tool truly saves you entire workdays: the incredibly powerful built-in auto-scheduling functionality. Instead of needing to manually post every single one of your new clips individually, you just define your desired posting frequency, say 3 clips every week, and the system slots them directly into your content calendar for you. You maintain control because you can preview the entire content calendar for the month, reorder any posts if a better time comes up, add custom captions or hashtags for each entry, and then simply let the system publish everything automatically. This means absolutely no more frantic late-night uploads, zero risk of losing track of a post, and no more forgetting to hit publish right on time, which, frankly, is pure gold for maintaining creator consistency. Now, I need to be completely real with you for a moment about some of the other different tools out there currently competing in the market. There are definitely AI apps that can create brand new videos entirely from scratch based on simple text prompts, which are cool for certain novelty use cases, but they often end up looking generic, overly templated, or completely off-brand. Then you have the entirely old-school route of manual editing and professional desktop software, which certainly grants you total creative control, but is painfully slow and becomes quite expensive if you are seriously trying to scale your content output. Many other single-feature applications will successfully handle captions or trim clips for you, but they completely fail to consider the entire essential workflow: discovery, editing, styling, and final scheduling, all within one cohesive system. Some of the other available platforms charge you an extra fee for every single clip you export, or frustratingly force you onto a long waiting list just to finally get your processed final videos back from their servers. A few competitors out there try to be absolutely everything for every potential user, which ultimately results in them being incredibly clunky to navigate while remaining surprisingly pricey for the limited functionality they actually deliver. This platform, however, manages to hit that perfect technological sweet spot because it is specifically engineered for creators who are actively producing long-form material and critically need to repurpose it efficiently without sacrificing quality. The underlying AI doesn't just randomly snip clips apart. It intelligently searches for proven viral patterns, actively assists you in styling for diverse platforms, and then queues everything up so you can maintain content consistency without personally burning out. Furthermore, it smartly keeps every single related asset: your raw source file, the generated clips, the final captions, and the publishing calendar, all organized in one unified digital hub, so you never have to juggle 5 different applications simultaneously again. To get better results even faster, here are a few essential practical tips. When recording your original long-form content, try to really emphasize those energy peaks, like moments of surprise, friendly disagreement, or a clear punchline, because those are the moments the AI actively locks onto as perfect hooks. If your recording involves multiple guests on screen, make sure to manually flag the timestamps where things get particularly spicy, emotional, or unexpected, which helps the AI confirm those specific points as high-value engagement moments. Also, always think ahead about the on-screen text and provide quick visual context so that people scrolling rapidly through their feeds instantly understand what the clip is about at the very first glance they give it. Another small but very effective pro move is to batch upload several full episodes or recordings at once, allowing Vizard to analyze all of them simultaneously in parallel and give you a massive stack of ready-made clips to choose from later. After that, simply set your auto schedule to intelligently drip them out over the course of a few weeks. This is the true set it and forget it method for consistent content output without ever doubling your actual workload. You will also want to consciously experiment with the overall tone of your clips, as some content performs much better when it is raw and loud, while other pieces benefit significantly from light, professional music and very quick, well-timed cuts. Try posting the exact same short clip using a totally stripped-down form on one day, and then a fully produced version with all the bells and whistles on another day to empirically see which style actually performs better with your unique audience. And critically, please do not ignore the built-in analytics. Vizard conveniently surfaces the basic performance metrics so you can clearly see which clips really landed with viewers and which ones didn't, helping the AI get much smarter over time. Look, the entire fundamental point here is absolutely not to replace human creators with emotionless robots, but rather to empower you to be incredibly creative while operating at a significantly larger content scale than before. Use your brilliant, irreplaceable human brain for generating the big core ideas, and then allow smart, specialized tools like this one to completely handle the repetitive, time-consuming chores: the cutting, the captioning, the formatting, and the scheduling. By doing this, you will instantly free up hours every single week to spend creating even better long-form content, collaborating with other creators, or simply enjoying the freedom of not being glued to an editing timeline for once. If you are curious to finally try this method out, I highly recommend you start small with just one single episode. Upload it, let the AI analyze it, quickly pick a few clips, style them instantly, and schedule a full week's worth of posts to watch your repurposing time drastically shrink. If you enjoy nerding out on growth strategies and efficiency hacks, you should treat this platform like your personal clip production headquarters. Drop in raw episodes, let the AI do its primary work, and then consciously double down on the clips that the data proves are successful. Anyway, that officially wraps up my current process. There are absolutely tons of ways to slice and dice content, but this specific method has saved me an incalculable amount of time, and has been key to staying consistently visible without all the usual creator stress. If you want to see more in-depth walkthroughs, I have other videos available showing real before and after examples and detailed tips specifically for crafting thumbnails that actually manage to get those highly coveted clicks. Please smash that like button. If this breakdown helped clarify your workflow, subscribe right now for more essential creator hacks, and I will definitely see you all in the very next video. Happy clipping, everyone!